Hey everybody, just wanted to take a quick few moments here before the weekend hits and the big April snowstorm hits. It's really windy, and I guess we're going to get a good amount of snow out of this, and just wanted to touch on some of the positives that we can think about as far as our trees go with this storm. Luckily, we haven't had any trees leaf out yet. I've only seen a few silver maples even flowering. We haven't had any of the elms flowering yet. So we're actually, as far as spring goes, even a week and a half away from some green starting to come, which, yeah, I wish it was here sooner. But the positive is, since we haven't had that, you know, this wind and this heavy wet snow and stuff shouldn't cause any excessive damage. Yeah, if you had a defect already that was maybe going to be exposed this summer or something like that from the winds, it may happen now this weekend, but generally we shouldn't see a whole lot of damage. So hey, it's April, going to be the 15th this weekend, and we're getting almost maybe a foot of snow or something like that. Well, put your plow away, just let it melt on its own. It'll happen pretty fast. And as far as our trees are concerned, we shouldn't see a whole lot of damage. So there's your positive going into the weekend. Thanks for watching. Hey, real quick, one last thing. If you enjoy getting these videos and these little updates and stuff, I'm going to try and do them all summer long on all the things I come across throughout the summer with related to trees and tree healthcare. So if you do like these videos, please click on that subscribe button.